In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix something went wrong error where you're told there was a network error. Please wait and try again later on Meta AI. Now, in most cases, if you're experiencing this error while trying to pair Meta AI with any device, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. First, we need to troubleshoot Meta AI app. To do that, just go to settings, and from settings, look for apps. Under apps, look for this option called manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for Meta AI, and here it is. And the first thing you want to do is go to force stop, and okay, this will stop any background activities that might be causing this issue. Then go to clear data, choose clear cache, and okay, and again clear all data. Once you're done, restart your Meta AI app. Now if you go open your Meta AI app, now everything should be up and running without any issue. However, at this point, if you're still experiencing this challenge, then you want to try and see if you're using any VPN on your smartphone, and the VPN off before you can try. However, should you still encounter this error still, then check and see that you have a stable internet connection. As from the error, this is one of the reasons you are experiencing this. Ensure you have stable internet connection before you try to pair anything with Meta AI. But should this not work, then check your Meta AI app from Google Play Store. So I'll go to Play Store and search for Meta AI, and here tap on the app and see if we have any update. Update your app to the latest version, and this should now work without any issue. So let me know which of this was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.